Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Wilda Sabila, student of Linguistic and Literature di class of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. On this occasion, I would like to present a lesson plan used in literature class. Okay, so for further explanation, we will move into the next slide. This lesson plan title is Elements of Plot Romeo and Juliet. So, as we know from the title, the aim of this activity is to find out the element of the plot from fiction Romeo and Juliet. This activity is around 60 minutes, but it can depend on the situation. Okay, move into the next slide. We have general objectives and specific cognitive. The first one is the general objective. So, here at the end of the lesson, the students expected to know the plot line of Romeo and Juliet, and the students will know what the plot is. The second is specific cognitive. After watching a video clip of the plot, students will define the plot in their own words. At the end of the lesson, students will create a paragraph summarizing the plot of Romeo and Juliet. So, here are the aim of this lesson. So, the teacher's goals of doing this lesson that the students will understand the topic. Okay, we move into the next slide. Okay, the next we have prerequisite skills and knowledge and strategies and approach. For the prerequisite skills and knowledge, students should read the text to have a general understanding of the events. After that, students should be familiar with the different characters present in the text. So, students should know each character from the fiction in order to easier in identifying the plot. The next is strategies and approach. This lesson plan using the deductive approach. A deductive approach is an approach that concept and generalization are introduced first to learners, followed by specific examples and activities to support learning. Lessons are generally conducted in lecture form with minimal dialogue between educators and their learners. For further explanation, will be explained in the next slide that talks about learning activity. Next, there is reading aloud. Students asked to read what they have got from this activity to better understand and to teach their reading skills. Okay, next slide. Next, we have instructional materials. In this lesson, there are 4 materials that meet in the learning activity. First is chart with the elements of the plot. Here, the teacher already prepared the chart that contains elements of the plot that will be used for the students in the learning activity. The second is flashcard with the name of each element of the plot. It is similar to the first one, but this is more specific. The third is about a video clip with an animated summary of Romeo and Juliet. The teacher will share the link to the video with the students and then students ask to watch the video. The last is a video with the elements of the plot. Same with the previous materials, but the difference is in this video is about the definition of elements of the plot. Okay, we move into the next slide. But key concepts. What students got should be expected like this one. There are 5 elements of the plot that students should know. The first is the exposition, and the second is rising action. The third is climax. Number 4 is falling action, and the last one is the resolution. Those are elements, those are the response that should be answered by the students based on the important event that happen in each elements. Move into the next topic is teaching learning activities. Here, there are 3 activities conducted in this lesson plan. The first is an introductory activity, and then developmental activity, and the last activity is culminating activity. I will explain it one by one. For the first activity, it is an introductory activity called meeting the plot. Step 1. Students will watch a video with the elements of plot. This video is an animated video that makes the students feel easier to understand. Step 2. Students will be asked what each element is. Expected responses, as I said before, there are 5 elements of the plot: the exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and the resolution. And the step 3, each element will be explained by the teacher. Step 4, based on the explanation the teacher given, students will be asked the definition for the plot. The answer will be written on the board. So, in the first activity, the students will be asked as a volunteer or chosen by the teacher to write their answer on the board. The second activity is a developmental activity called moving hang time. Step 1, students will watch an 8-minute video clip of the plot summary of Romeo and Juliet, and will be asked to make a note of any important events that happen in those summary. Step 2, teacher and students will discuss all the important events based on the video clip. Step 3, students will complete list of events. This list will be used to fill a chart with these elements of the plot. As I mentioned before, that one of the material is a chart of the plot that will be used in this activity to fulfill the important events that happen in the fiction Romeo and Juliet by individually. And the last activity is the culminating activity. Students will be asked to write a paragraph summary about the plot of Romeo and Juliet, individually written in their workbook, and at the end of the class, the book will be submitted to the teacher. And this activity represents the aim of the lesson plan, that at the end of the class, the students will make paragraph summarizing about the plot Romeo and Juliet. Okay, so I think that's all about my explanation lesson plan in literature class. I do apologize if I have mistakes in explaining.